Okay, so earlier I added some nitric acid, and it turns out we need to add a little more, so I had to make another little batch. All this is from the basically the base, the sodium bicarbonate that we made. So I'm going to slide this over here, and now you notice when you're working with a strong acid, you need to make sure you're being very careful. And this is soaked with, again, sodium hydroxide, or actually baking soda. It's a strong enough base to neutralize. And I'm just going to keep going in here. Okay. So I will deal with that in a second, but I'm not going to film me cleaning that up. But one of the things that I want to do next, believe it or not, I'm just going to use saran wrap to cover this. So this will be covered for up 48 to 24 hours. And I've got a handy dandy tool here. Which usually works, except for now that I'm filming. Okay. Alright, so the one thing you gotta be careful for when you're doing this, and is if any of this gets into the acid, you have to pull it over. And then, of course, because I've been watching my proper technique, I'm going to basically neutralize any of that acid that gets in here. So that should be good. We got a nice little seal. So I'm going to move that over here. And I'm not going to film me doing the same thing, but that's what it basically happens. So this is going to sit. So what we've done is we take all the flesh off the bones, and now we're soaking in nitric acid. That calcium phosphate is going to leach out. It's going to pull that out. This is going to look all yellow, and those bones, you'll be able to bend them in half. Then we're going to cut them in half and dissect them and look for the red marrow, the yellow marrow, and look for the medullary cavity and everything that's on our papers that we've been looking at in class. All right, stay tuned for the next video.